Welcome to day 4 of content repurposing tutorials where I'm sharing 30 time-saving content ideas for all of you busy creators out there. Today, we're going to go over how to use the green screen feature inside of Instagram for images and graphics. If you are not using the green screen feature inside of Instagram, you are truly missing out on an awesome opportunity to repurpose your content with ease. Kev on Stage is a creator that uses the green screen feature all of the time. This allows him to give his opinions on whatever it is that he's talking about and be able to post more consistently by doing it quickly. So now we're here in Instagram and I'm going to press the plus button. I'm going to go over to Reels and I'm going to press the camera button. Now, the reason I'm pressing the camera button is because we are going to use something called green screen. If you don't have green screen right here by Instagram, this is how you find it. So you are going to press the stars button right here, and that is where all the filters are. You press search and type in green screen, and you're going to look for this one right here. This would be the green screen by Instagram. So once you have that, you can tap up here, and now we're going to change the background. So they give you a couple suggestions, but we're going to change the background here. And now they have scenes that you can utilize from their own catalog, but we're going to use something in our camera roll. I'm going to go to recent, scroll all the way over to my repurpose folder, and I'm going to find the image that I want to use, which is this one right here. Okay, great. So I'm going to tap up here, so bring it bigger. What you can also do is you're going to pinch to make yourself smaller. So I'm going to pinch and pull myself down here, and now I have the opportunity to see two of me inside of this screen. So after we placed ourselves, we are going to tap on this button right here to record. Check me out here. I am at a planning event and you can see the focus in my face as I'm prepping for 2024. How are you all prepping for 2024? Let me know in the comments. So as I've recorded what I wanted to record, I'm going to go ahead and press the next button. The cool thing about this is I believe you have up until 90 seconds to keep on recording. So I recorded only a few seconds. What I can do for engagement is I can move myself just to change the spaces. Some people might not find it important, but planning is super important so that you can know exactly what your plan is. Also, I'm going to show you what to do if you mess up. So let's say I didn't want this clip right here. I can press next, edit video, scroll over to the last part that I don't want, tap here and press discard. Now, if I wanted to try it again, I can just press back and all I'd have to do is reframe myself so that I can do what I need to do. I promise you what you do today will definitely help you for tomorrow. So now I'm going to press next. Now I can't hear my audio. That worried me just a little bit. So let me show you what happens if you cannot hear your audio. You are going to press this music button right here, go over to controls, and make sure your camera audio is all the way up. Press done. You can also enhance it if it is low. What your plan is. I promise you what you. Okay, great. Now we can pause this really quick. We know that you need captions in your videos these days, and one of the things that I want you all to do is if you do not have the captions feature inside of Instagram, if you do, you'll be able to click on this button right here and you see captions right here. If you do not, I need you before you add any music or anything else to save this video right here. Once it is saved in your phone, you can take it into another app to add your captions and then re-upload your reel to Instagram. So let's pretend that I have captions on here. Some of the options that I have is to go ahead and add music if I want to. Not every reel needs music, but you have that opportunity should you choose to customize it further. And then we're going to press next. You add your description. You can either draft this or go ahead and post it. But this is a great way to use green screen to be able to repurpose your images and your graphics. Comment below what you'll use green screen for first. You do not want to miss tomorrow, day 5, where I'll be sharing my special way that I use remixes to repurpose other people's content. If you don't already have it, go ahead and grab the calendar/journal in the description below.